Hello, it's Nathan here from the Study Buddy. I thought in this quick video I'll just show you what's going to be included in our GCSE Revision desk jotter packs so that you know what to expect when you receive it, and also some tips as to how to get the most out of using it, especially as we come up to the Easter holiday. So within the pack we have these sets of stickers which breakdown of all of the courses. They're tailored to the individual student, so whether they're doing combined sciences or triple sciences with AQA, that's the breakdown that they'll find. We do cover all exam courses, so we have, as I say here, the AQA running right the way through to history with Edexcel and even Northern Ireland CCEA's further maths there. These are a great way of planning what needs to be done and make sure that you cover the right content and all of the content in order to be exam ready. And as you can see here, these are on little labels so that they can be used ideally for planning the week ahead. And that week ahead is managed by our jotter pads. So these jotter pads have got a number of pages, and there are a couple of options that you can buy into. We've got a very simple plain week to view. Start off by putting your time, you see, down one side, and then a couple of bits and pieces on the sides of that to really make it feel like you're able to manage so much more than just study. When we look at planning time, we suggest doing it in 3 really simple steps. The first is to block out your commitments, and this might be school, could be dentist appointments, sports matches, all of that kind of thing, the things that you can't get out of. Once you've done that, then we suggest that you block out the social time and free time, whether that's carving out some time to torment your cat with videos on TikTok, or getting together with your friends, making time for podcast releases, or whatever it might be that you need to relax. Put those in next. And it's really important that you've got that sense of balance. What you'll then find is that your blank spaces are fair game for a bit of study without actually impacting on life. Here, very Blue Peter style, here's one I prepared earlier, just as a bit of a rough and ready, just to show what that week might look like. So it's a procrastination buster because you know what it is that you've said you'll commit to, and it's a nagging shield because there's no need for parents to ask teens what should you be doing now, because it's a very visible thing. You can see, everyone can see what's being committed to. Then when you get to the end of the week, it's really important that you do this sort of wash up or wrap, as we call it, which is our weekly review and plan. So look back on the week, what went well, what didn't go so well, what do I need to spend a bit more time on, but also importantly, how well did you use your time? Is it more difficult to do work in the evening than at the weekend? Gear yourself for success. So that 15-20 minute session can be a real boost in terms of maximizing the efficiency out of next week, which of course is what will come next. You simply review how it went, how did you feel, remove the sheet and start all over again. Happy studying.